Walmart Plus is here to take on Amazon Prime. Are you ready for this, Will?
Really big ad there.
Do you have Amazon Prime?
I don't know.
You don't. You're not an Amazon Prime guy. Well, a lot of people do. This kind of shocked me, actually. I was looking at this, and it says here that there's 150 million Amazon Prime subscribers.
In the U.S.?
In the world.
In the world.
Yeah, in the U.S. would be insane. Let me just make sure I have that number right, because it did blow me away. Did I just say 150 million?
Did you?
It's actually 150,000. No, I'm just kidding. Where is it? Yeah, 150 million members worldwide.
Wow.
It's unbelievable. Because once you get the Prime, Will, you're just shopping more. They've done the studies. Once you've got the Prime, you're shopping more. Because it's just easier.
Prime Video as well? Or
you get it all.
Yeah.
Your Prime, you get the best treatment.
Whole shebang.
All of a sudden, you get the faster delivery. It's included for free. You got the content to go with it. And, of course, they continue to move into the food and groceries and forget about it. But Walmart's not happy about it. They're sitting there saying, hey, man, we can deliver stuff.
Yeah.
We have stores. Stuff is close by. We can get it to your door. Forget about Bezos. We got blue bags with a friendly W. And all we have to do is put a Plus logo, because Plus is very 2020. We just call it Plus. It's not Disney Plus. It's Walmart Plus, because you love Walmart. And you know what else we're going to do for you, Will? We're not just going to bring things to your home, possibly on the same day, because you're a Walmart Plus subscriber. We're also going to give you a deal on gasoline.
Oh.
Yeah, that's right. You come fill up your tank at the local Walmart gas station. We're going to cut you a deal as a Plus subscriber. You know what else we're going to do for you, Will?
Huh.
When you're in the store, you're going to scan your products on your phone. And when you get to checkout, you just tap your phone. It's all done for you.
Man, I'm so glad I didn't sign up to Amazon Prime.
That's right. Walmart's been waiting for you. So they're here to take on the new technology is called Scan and Go. Who knows how it's going to work? They're also going to let you save a few bucks. $98 a year for Walmart Plus. Amazon Prime, on the other hand, is a few dollars more than that. I think it's $119. So you get a little advantage because Amazon is so far ahead. Walmart is calling this the ultimate life hack. They're saying get your time back. Spend your time with your family. Don't be in here shopping around. We'll bring it to your door same day. No problemo. You're going to save 5 cents per gallon on gas, by the way, in case you were curious what the actual saving might be. They did a study here and found that Walmart's best customers are already Amazon Prime members. So that's a problem for Walmart. And what they really want to do is get those people to change over and assume, I mean, that's their major competitor and they don't have a play in this space. And they got to do something. So this is their shot at it. I don't know how well, how seamless the experience will be. I wouldn't want to be competing with Amazon. Everything is very, very smooth sailing when you buy something on Amazon or when you subscribe to Prime. Walmart's got their work cut out for them, but they're in it. They're in the game. They got the blue bag and they got the nice looking W. And this is what you were telling me earlier, how you feel like Newegg looks like Amazon now.
Oh, this is not Amazon right here?
Yeah.
No?
Willie do. Getting his little part in there. Go on a product page and then it looks sort of even more like Amazon. But I wouldn't do it.
Amazon.
I wouldn't do any different, man. I mean,
yeah, I mean, Amazon does it right.
It works, right?